Hi, my name is Katy Silberstein. I'm a somatic therapist and I'm sharing short somatic practices that help to release stress and tension during the day. So let's start together. Make some heat between your palms. And when you feel the heat, start to gently move your fingers along your brows from center to periphery, taking off all the tension that is holding your forehead and muscles around the eyes. And now go under the eyes, again from center to periphery. Feel how the muscles of your face are letting go. Lower your gaze a little bit, lower your hands, feel the difference in your face. And now inhale, and with exhale, hug yourself and start to move a little bit from side to side. Maybe turning around a little bit with your rib cage. Feeling the motion of your body, feeling the self-hug, the self-touch. Maybe you want to lean with your head to your shoulder. And just find some rhythm. Connect with yourself. And on the exhale, let go. Lower your arms. And enjoy a little bit more ease and space inside. Thank you.